Get back, Sam, get back.
What? Ik miste hem.
Oh, wow. I don't even know where it went. I see it, it's way up there. Do you see it, Jacob? It's way over there.
I don't see it.
It's way over there. Oh, I shouldn't have moved. It's way over there.
I see it.
It's way over there. Uh-oh. I don't know where it's going, but it's way over there.
Oh no. Pull me over. Is it bad?
You can see it?
Yeah.
Guys,
I hope they go over there and see if you can track it to see where it lands.
I did have the altimeter in it.
Oh boy, I think it might go on the roof.
Can you still see it?
Yeah, I can still see it.
It's over there. Yeah, sorry.
I think it might go on the roof.
I think it'll be a bit before the roof. I think it'll
Oh
be in the
boy.
grass. Yeah, it'll be in the grass between the two buildings. Oh no.
Oh, I think it's on the roof.
It is.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh wow. I don't even know where it went. I see it's way up there. You see it, Jacob?